Welcome back to Nice Travel TV. If you love discovering amazing destinations across the Philippines, you're in the right place. Before we begin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nice Travel TV and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest travel adventures. Now, let's explore one of the country's hidden tropical paradises. Caramoan Beach, part of the Caramoan Peninsula in Camarines Sur, is one of the Philippines' most stunning, yet still relatively undiscovered tropical destinations. Often described as a mini El Nido with far fewer crowds, it features powdery white sand coves, turquoise lagoons, towering limestone cliffs, and dramatic sandbars that appear at low tide. Iconic spots like Matukad Island, Lahos Island, Sabitang Laya, and Cotivas Beach are famed for their crystal-clear waters, calm swimming conditions, and otherworldly scenery, which have attracted multiple international editions of the TV show Survivor. Beyond its picture-perfect beaches, Caramoan offers a rugged sense of adventure. Hidden lagoons accessible only by climbing over rocks, bat-filled caves, underground rivers, and waterfalls reached by trekking through forest and river. Tourism remains low-density and lightly commercialized, so visitors experience a raw, survivor-like atmosphere with minimal infrastructure on most islands. This combination of world-class natural beauty, isolation, and dramatic landscapes makes Caramoan Beach a compelling choice for travelers seeking a remote, authentic Philippine island experience. Thank you for watching Nice Travel TV, and we'll see you in our next travel adventure.